am going to put how I feel and or felt about Bedrock. I used to find that song sexist, where it was all about sex, and it still is. It's not like it's changed. They haven't redid the song or anything, but I like the song now. Don't ask why, but I do. It's not as bad as people make it out to be. Yeah, there's 5 singers in that probably smoke pot, but whatever. It's a good song. It's got a good beat, Can't, hate it just because. Well, some people can just hate it because they want to hate it because they're stupid. But yeah, I'm not stupid like that. So, whatever. Yeah. First movie in a long time. Well, I'm gonna go now. Bye.